Hi, my name is James Lodge and I'm an applications consultant at Symmetry. My specialisations include Autodesk Inventor, Autodesk AutoCAD, Fusion 360 and PowerMill. I also specialise in the data management aspects around those solutions. I've been at Symmetry for around 8 years, teaching each of the solutions throughout that time. Today I'm here to talk to you about our range of Fusion 360 training courses and why you should develop your skills with us at Symmetry. Whether you are completely new to Fusion 360, have some basic knowledge of the software, or would like to learn how to work smarter within it, we have a training course that suits every need. If you are new to the software, then our Fusion 360 Essentials course offers an introduction to the product by giving you a fundamental understanding of the software. By the end of the course, you will have experience in the core workflows, including Fusion 360's unique top-down and bottom-up modelling methodology and data management workflows. Fusion 360 is a massive product that is used by a high variety of industries. Therefore, the software offers different environments and tools to suit these needs. We also offer bespoke training tracks. This allows you to customize the environments that you require to learn and the bespoke workflows that you need within your business. Recently, we have committed to reduce our carbon footprint, so I've made the decision to go paperless and only offer digital manuals for each of our courses. Feel free to contact us about any of our training courses and offerings, and I hope to hear from you soon.